The CFM56-7B is a high bypass, dual rotor and axial flow turbofan engine. The engine fan diameter is 1.55 meter. The bare engine weight is 2,385 kilograms. The engine has following sections: fan and booster, high pressure compressor, combustor, high pressure turbine, low pressure turbine, accessory drive. The fan and booster rotor and the LPT rotor are on the same low pressure shaft. We call it M1 for short. The HPC rotor and the HPT rotor are on the same high pressure shaft. We call it N2 for short. The fan and booster is a 4-stage compressor. The fan increases the speed of the air. A splitter fairing divides the air into these two air flows: primary air, secondary air. The primary air flow goes into the core of the engine. The booster increases the pressure of this air and sends it to the HPC. The secondary air flow goes in the fan duct. It supplies approximately 80% of the thrust during takeoff. The HPC is a 9-stage compressor. It increases the pressure of the air from the LPC and sends it to the combustor. The HPC also supplies bleed air for the aircraft pneumatic system and the engine air system. The combustor mixes air from the compressor and fuel from the fuel nozzles. This mixture of air and fuel burns in the combustion chamber to make hot gases. The hot gases go to the HPT. The HPT is a single-stage turbine. It changes the energy of the hot gases into mechanical energy. The HPT uses this mechanical energy to turn the HPC rotor and the accessory drive. The LPT is a 4-stage turbine. It changes the energy of the hot gases into mechanical energy. The LPT uses this mechanical energy to turn the fan and booster rotor. The accessory drive has following components: inlet gearbox, radial drive shaft, transfer gearbox, horizontal drive shaft, and accessory gearbox. Thank you for watching and listening. See you in another video. Goodbye.